Have you ever wondered if there was one question that could change your life forever? A single question that could unlock new possibilities, deeper insights, and a path to personal growth? Well, what if I told you that there is such a question? And by exploring its depths, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into the profound impact of a simple yet powerful question that has the potential to be a turning point in your life. Are you ready to discover the one question that could change your life forever? It is this: what do I really want? This may seem like a basic question, but its implications are vast and far-reaching. You see, most people go through life without ever stopping to ask themselves this fundamental question. They simply drift along, following societal norms and expectations without a clear sense of direction or purpose. However, the power of this question lies in its ability to break through the barriers of complacency and inertia. When you truly ask yourself what you want, it forces you to examine your desires, dreams, and aspirations. It compels you to take an honest look at your life and evaluate whether you are truly happy and fulfilled. Think about it. If you never take the time to reflect on what you genuinely want, how can you expect to achieve it? How can you set goals and take actions aligned with your deepest desires if you don't know what they are? The truth is, many people are living on autopilot, allowing others to dictate their choices and actions. They settle for mediocrity when they have the potential to live a life that is extraordinary. The first step towards positive change is becoming aware of your current state. Take some time to honestly assess your life. Are you satisfied with where you are? Do you feel like you are living on your own terms? Or are you feeling unfulfilled and yearning for something more? By honestly evaluating your current situation, you can gain clarity on what needs to change and what you want to improve. Once you have a good understanding of your current state, it's time to start exploring your options. What are the things that you have always wanted to try but haven't had the courage to pursue? Are there any skills or talents you would like to develop? This is the time to dream big and think outside the box. Don't limit yourself to what you think is possible. Instead, allow your imagination to run wild and consider all the possibilities that are within reach. With a clear vision of what you want, it's time to take action. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps and start working towards them. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with just a single step. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Every small victory will bring you closer to your ultimate goal. As you begin your journey of self-discovery and transformation, remember to embrace the power of the present moment. While it's important to have goals and aspirations for the future, it's equally crucial to appreciate where you are right now. The present moment is the only moment you truly have control over. So as you move forward, don't forget to savor the journey. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, it's not about the destination, but about the person you become along the way. The one question that can change your life forever is a catalyst for positive change. It is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you break free from the ordinary and discover a life that is truly fulfilling. By asking yourself what you really want, you open the door to a world of possibilities and potential. So ask yourself this question: what do I really want? Let the answer guide you on a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and transformation. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We would love to hear your thoughts and insights, so drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.